This is the Black & Decker Handheld Dust Buster. Now, first off, the design. We absolutely love the design. It's super, super beautiful. And it fits really nicely on its charging station, just like that, and looks great on any surface. Now, this is a twofold type of vacuum. It's great on hard surfaces, but also with its adapter that just switches up, it's great on carpets and upholstery. It also has the special wand, the crevice tool, to go really deep into those hard to reach spaces. Now let me show you the power on hard surfaces. So for example, just simple pepper. And as you would expect, picks up every single mess. Now, the really cool thing is the translucent bagless design. You can actually open it just like so and access the filter and empty its compartment. The other thing, due to its design, the way the cyclone effect of this dust buster, it keeps the debris away from the filter, so you don't have to always clean it every time you use it. Not only does it have a rotating nozzle, just like so you can reach difficult spaces, but it also has a 16-volt battery for extra power. The Black & Decker Dust Buster is the ideal vacuum for anywhere you need it in hard to reach places.